didn't actually see the crash. I hope the camera caught it.
What happened?
Joe went under this dude in front of us, over 5, and I think he got on the gas over that hump and just low-sided. I had to like brake hard and then run off into the dirt to miss him.
Joe?
Joe. Parked, I was in the fucking impact zone. I was like, fuck, I want to help him, but if I sit right here, I'm going to get creamed.
Do I get to be on one of your videos?